Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In this episode, we'll learn how viruses multiply inside host cells, the diseases they cause in humans, plants, and animals, and why they are so important in biology and medicine. By the end, you'll understand the viral life cycle, common infections, and their effects on health and research. If you haven't watched part 1 on viruses, check the link in the description or the card above. It's important to watch that first to understand the basics. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let me give you an overview on viral replication. Viruses are unique because they cannot reproduce independently. They completely depend on the machinery of a host cell to multiply. This process of making new viral particles is called replication, and it usually happens in two main ways, the lytic cycle and the lysogenic cycle. Let's understand how viruses multiply or replicate. Since they cannot reproduce on their own, they follow specific steps inside the host cell. First is attachment, where the virus binds to the host cell surface. Then comes entry, where the genetic material enters. Next, in replication and synthesis, the host machinery is hijacked to make viral proteins and nucleic acids. After that, assembly occurs, where new viral particles are put together. Finally, in the release stage, the newly formed viruses exit the host cell, often destroying it in the process. How viruses replicate. Let's quickly understand that. Viruses can replicate in two different ways. In the lytic cycle, the virus immediately takes control of the host cell, replicates quickly, and finally bursts the cell to release new viruses. On the other hand, in the lysogenic cycle, the viral DNA integrates with the host genome and remains silent as a prophage. The virus multiplies along with the host cell without killing it. Later, under stress or triggers, it can switch to the lytic cycle. Let's quickly recap viral replication. Viruses cannot multiply on their own and depend entirely on the host cell. They follow two main cycles. In the lytic cycle, the virus replicates quickly and destroys the host cell. In the lysogenic cycle, the viral DNA integrates with the host genome, remains dormant, and may later enter the lytic cycle. Bacteriophages are classic examples, with T4 showing the lytic cycle and lambda phage showing the lysogenic cycle. Here's your challenge question for today. Which of these statements about viral replication is correct? Is it A, viruses can reproduce independently outside a host? Is it B, in the lysogenic cycle, viral DNA integrates with host DNA and remains dormant? Is it C, in the lytic cycle, viral DNA remains dormant without producing new viruses? Or is it D, lytic and lysogenic cycles occur only in plant viruses? Comment your answers or send it to us on WhatsApp or Telegram. That's all for episode on viral replication. Today, we learned how viruses depend on host cells, the lytic cycle that rapidly destroys host cells, and the lysogenic cycle where viral DNA remains dormant. Well done on solving the challenge question. In the next part, we will explore the diseases caused by viruses in humans, animals, and plants, and understand their impact on health and agriculture. Stay tuned to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology so you don't miss it. See you in the next episode.